Yes, Shalini, tell me. Okay. Let me speak to her. Yeah, hi, is this Ashish here? Hi, I'm Kabir. I spoke to you earlier this week regarding our air conditioners. Yeah. So, you're supposed to send someone. So, when are you sending that person? He's not well? So now what do you want me to do, Ashish? What do you want me to do? You want me to fix it by myself? What do you want me to do? Just send someone and get it fixed, please. If you can't do this, I'll have to speak to your boss and it won't be a nice thing. All right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Shalini, I spoke to him and that person will come sometime soon. You please handle this. I can't do everything on my own. Don't expect me to do everything. Yeah, bye. Hi, sir. I just wanted to confirm if you're playing tomorrow. The leg should get better, sir, through the night, I think. But if not, let's just do some light sessions. I think my backhand, sir. I really need to improve the backhand. Yeah. So I'll see you at 6 tomorrow. And thank you so much, sir. I mean, this wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you, sir.
क्या हुआ बाबा, बड़े खुश लग रहे हो आज?
बड़ा टूर्नामेंट था बाबा.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Raju. Thank you. अब बोर तो नहीं हुए ना?
नहीं बाबा, मैं तो बहुत कोशिश कर रहा था, मैं बैठे हुए देखते हुए कि ये चल क्या रहा है, बट मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया.
अरे यार.
तो फिर मैं आके अपने कार में सो गया.
मैं किसी दिन समझा दूंगा, अभी बहुत थक चुका हूँ. ओके, आप ना आप ये रखो और ऐश करो.
थैंक यू सर.
Michael. Last year was 6-3, then he won 6-4, and then 7-5. Thanks, Aki. Hey! Hello. How's it going? What do you think? Not so good, maybe. It's fine. Right. You know, I'll just grab a chair. I can barely stand right now. Okay? I'll just be back. Sure. Tell me, what's up? How long are you going to do this? Do what, Kabir? What are you talking about? To dream like a fool. To think that you'll be the next Roger Federer of tennis. As we speak, I'm the best player in the country. And why would I be Federer when I can be the Kabir Malhotra? These dreams are not for everyone, Kabir. Why don't you understand sometimes? You need to be a little more practical in life. You've literally given up everything for this. And what if you don't become a tennis player? What if? Practical? So you slog your ass off in engineering first, and then you slog to make someone's dream better. Sorry, someone's company better. So that's a practical life according to you, Kabir. Right? At least I have a secure job, for God's sake. Oh. So it's fear over passion for you. It puts food for me on the table, and that's what matters. I don't know what to think of it. I mean, it just doesn't work in my world. One career ending injury and you're done for life, Kabir. You're done. Maybe, Kabir. Maybe. But you know what? In my world, I either succeed or I learn. And the only time I fail is when I give up on doing something that I truly love. Let me tell you something, Kabir. No matter what we do, how many of us slams we win, or whatever pinnacle we reach in our corporate career, nothing lasts forever, man. So what's the point of living a life which is not fulfilling? Just don't get it, man. It's a waste of my time. Maybe you're right this time, Kabir. I never want to, and I never wish to.